Today, we got a box of OP08. We are currently at our hotel in San Diego. We're currently at our hotel in San Diego. We're gonna do a special box opening. So this is from Premium Bandai. That I just got from like last week on the 24th. So will Bandai do us dirty? Part 2. We'll find out. Obviously looking for the manga Rayleigh, Sexy Marco, Moria SP. Huge. NES, but Moria. Yeah, put it all the way back there. Alright, first pack. Kind of late, so we have to kind of be quiet because got neighbor.
Not back.
Is it?
No.
Man, look at the cutting on this.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Horrible.
I don't care about us anymore.
Take our time. It's currently 2 o'clock in the morning.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow. No.
No, it's 1:14. I lied.
It's 2 o'clock, bro. Did we get 6 liters in a row again?
You got 4. I did a liter counter. And thank you for the support on our last video.
Yeah, really appreciate it.
Our most viewed video yet.
Year to date.
To date.
Glad to see Bandai doing everyone dirty. Glad y'all can relate.
Okay, I got OP01 though. Pretty sick.
Oh yeah.
There's literally nothing. Just
Liters.
08.
Look at the cutting, man. Look at that. Thank you for loving me. That's an awesome card, though.
Is it?
In terms of the...
Are any of these cards awesome?
Yeah. I don't care.
Yeah.
Oh, SR.
Where's the T-Rash? T-Rash is the ice bucket.
Also, the lighting is like not great. Hotel production, but that's alright.
Production.
Ooh, Big Mom. I think I already have a playset though, so whatever. Got too much 08 now.
Yeah.
Not quite a bit, even though.
6 all over again. Just that those 6 was good, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, another SR.
I'm gonna need any of these SRs. Right?
Oh.
Oh, that's not
That's not an SR.
interesting.
Probably Carrot. Shishiyam. On KO, rest one of your Dawn card.
Pretty good.
KO one of your... Yeah, I like that KO effect. Diaz Drake. Ooh, a leader. Wow.
Sexy Marco.
Regular Marco.
Oh, no.
No. Sleep. Okay.
I think
Okay.
you have a full play set of Dawn.
Yeah.
And the double pack ones.
I need $3 for it.
So this video is probably gonna come out after regionals. So if you went to San Diego regionals this weekend or whenever you're watching this, comment down below if you went and let us know how you did and who you were playing. We'd love to hear.
Hey.
Hey, nothing. Looking like a 2-hitter.
You said that last time.
We did hit. We hit everything at the end. But we also got a vlog, San Diego regional vlog, gonna come out too. So stay tuned for that. If we released that video, if we didn't release that video first.
some side stuff too. Yeah.
Dang, man.
How many packs deep are we? 8?
We hit 3 each.
Yeah, that's a story.
Got some magic hands.
I got a leader is what I got. Oh, no. I lied. I got an SR when it's not an SR. Oh, oops. What does this even do? Milky.
Mama.
Let's go. Whoa, look, you can see the flower petals. Whoa, that's a pretty nice card.
That's nice.
Alright, that's mine. Yeah, I got the hands.
Let's go. What a beautiful card.
Nice. That's it.
It's a great head. We're looking for any heads, actually.
Oh, another SR.
I'm not sure if we're gonna post my box, but I just got a queen alternate art, the searcher, and the secret Rayleigh.
Oh,
Basic.
we ain't posting. Yeah, we're not gonna post that
Yeah,
one.
but that to just show you how our luck's been with this set. Ooh, okay.
Ooh.
You need that? It's too late.
Dex.
Whoa.
Oh, we gotta put that up here, man. I'm gonna show that. Motel.
Event.
So,
Or SE. The sec.
All really.
manga.
What? I didn't even see that. I thought we did look in the back.
Yeah, we did.
Wait, what?
Rewind it.
Yeah, we're fine now. Which one's?
Yeah, I got another hit right here. I feel it. Feel it in my bones. Enough to make my nothing. Is that leader? Yeah, it's a leader.
It's gonna be a
Pudding good. Who's Shakuya? Shaki. Since there's so much downtime, I'm just gonna sort these cards for you.
Alright. I think we are about halfway through the box now. One hit so far. I think, is it?
Oh, he's the manga.
Imagine.
Bandai did not do this dirty. Redeemed.
I'm trying to like not put my hand in the way of the cards because shadow.
Shadow. Shabondi. What the heck? What's wrong with you?
Dang. I thought I saw gold. You saw that, right?
No.
Oh. I mean, that would have been an event, but whatever.
SP
As long as it's not an altar queen, right?
Oh yeah, that's big. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
If I do let one of my blockers die that last game, do I still win?
If you let one of your blockers die?
Yeah.
No.
You lied. Event? Sasaki.
Is there a Sasaki altar? Because that would suck.
Sasaki.
That was not good, guys. That was not good.
I don't think there is, right?
I don't think so. These are.
Okay.
Oh, I just bet the cards, man. Ooh, you see that?
The
Terrible.
cutting is horrible.
Terrible, man. Put me in charge
I
of that.
did us dirty.
She's top 5 for me.
Top 5 what?
Character,
Power scaling?
Character design. Hey,
Top 5 in the first. Oh my god.
this is me.
Called it.
This is me. That's what I pulled last time. We almost have a playset.
I'll top load it later. Almost have a playset. God no.
That chopper though.
Yeah, this chopper's
Alright, now we're looking for the SEC
manga.
Rayleigh Altar.
Oh, leader? Oh, Dawn. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a Dawn.
Going free.
Leader? Hey, you just spit all over me. Guess the leader.
Thumper and Thuckatash.
Loading.
Chopper.
Colorado. Wouldn't
Can't
guess
even get that right. Can't even get that right. It sucks.
I literally jinxed myself.
Why?
I was like, anything with the queen search.
Oh man.
Alt art.
Ooh, what kind is that?
What is that?
That's the SEC.
What kind though?
Manga. Alt art?
Please. By all means.
If this is the third hit, we're giving away the.
Yeah. See what regionals. That's
Ah.
SR.
where's the leaders?
I don't know what numbers, but ratio's looking kind of hot.
There's a number cruncher. Another leader pack. I'm sorry, I didn't let you guys guess. Botanist.
I want to see what they're gonna do with them.
Yeah.
Just bonus. I don't think they're gonna do anything. What other cards can be bought, bro?
No one else. All right. I don't think that's anything in the back.
Do it.
Flip it. Pop it.
Whoa.
Hey.
Oh, I thought it was the same card, dude.
That's cool though, that you got them
Whoa.
together.
Aw, look.
And the chopper.
Aw.
The right picture for that.
Close enough.
Yeah, I think it's two that are.
After
No.
that,
No.
after we get a rare,
No.
unless.
That's a leader.
Light count.
Wait, what
Discard.
other SRs did we get?
I don't know. What are we missing?
I don't know.
Nami? Did we get a Nami?
I don't think we got anything. We only got 3.
No, we had some.
Unless someone didn't put it in the pile.
I didn't play in the box. I don't know if I even pulled any. Yep, there's one. There's one, and who is it? A Jack. Oh, I keep pulling Shocky too. Cool. It's a sign.
Dashiki.
All right, last 3 packs. I think they're all gonna be SRs. Oh yeah,
One.
there's another SR. Let's guess it. Oh, I already saw it. Whitebeard.
Oh.
Boom. Or Newgate.
Dang, I'm on
Yeah,
SR.
it's looking like a 2-hitter.
I don't know, man. This one right here.
Also, how was your guys' Halloween? Did we ask?
You said Happy Halloween on the last
Oh,
one.
what'd you guys dress up as?
Yeah, comment on the.
How was that?
Guess it.
Red. Nami.
I think it's purple.
Nami.
Purple.
Bonnie. I don't know.
This is a purple. Big Mom?
Oh,
It's
red.
not purple.
That's Chopper.
Shoka. Side by side.
Damn. Yeah, it's a
Okay,
2-hitter.
so this is Nami. Guaranteed. Anyone want a Nami pack?
Me.
Come here.
Or is it a 3-hitter? No, that's
Nam.
That's
That's Bonnie. Oh, never mind.
well, hey, 2-hitter.
Bandai did us.
A 1-hitter?
Basically a 1-hitter. Well, that looks like Bandai actually did us dirty this time. Because last time we got the Queen SP, they had to get us back by giving us this monstrosity. And we got the alt art Tony Chopper SR. Not bad, but none of us really play it, so just for the collection. But yeah, good luck at regionals. Yeah, wish us luck, or hope that we did well.
I'm going
Well,
for 10.
I'm going for 10-0. Yeah, we'll definitely if we do well, if any of us do well, we'll definitely do a
profile.
deck profile, like
Even if we don't
regional
do well,
summary
I'm gonna do it.
type stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for more content. We got Peer B coming, all that good stuff. Peace out.
Peace.